Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are here in Shimla, and right now we are outside the Christ Church, which is a famous place here in Shimla. We're going to be checking out the Christ Church. We're going to check out a part of Mall Road, and we are going to just check out the scenes here, guys. So I'm just going to walk around, show you what's happening and what it looks like here right now. So anyway, let's go and check it out. Okay guys, so this is the famous Christ Church here in Shimla, and as you can see there's so many people around here. So this is like a tourist hotspot, so we'll just look around. So we'll go to the Shimla Church now and we'll check it out. So there's a viewpoint up there as well, and that is the State Library of Shimla here on the left. If you go further down behind the church, there is another place which is a viewpoint on top. You can also take a cable car from there and you can go to the Hanuman statue, which is right on top. It's a very beautiful place right on top there, but it's super cold, so definitely wear a lot of jackets, and it's pretty cold here as well. So this is the Christ Church. Today I'm actually shooting on Christmas Day, so it's very beautiful, and there's a lot of people here because of that. And look at the amount of people around here, guys. So this is the Christ Church here, and what we'll do is, I don't want to go there because there's hundreds of people trying to get into the church, but we'll just look around here and see the scenes and who the people here. So this is the Shimla Library, State Library. So that is the viewpoint up there, so you go up that side, but let's just go this side and walk around and see the scenes here. All the people are taking photos, reels, and it's interesting to see so many people here. So it's hundreds and hundreds of people all around, but it's really nice because everybody dresses up so well here, which is something that I like. And let me just show you some more viewpoints here. So this is the fountain here. So the fountain just came on, and wow, so it's a musical fountain. There's nice music here. So it just turned on right now, right in front of us, and everybody got freaked out and scared. So this was really nice. So this is of course the statue of Mahatma Gandhi over here, father of the nation, and it's so nice. Look at the waterfall. Not a waterfall, sorry, the fountain here. So let's just go up ahead here. There is area with horses here. So if you want to click photos with the horses, you want to go for a horse ride, or yeah, see, so look at this, the horse ride. So people are going for the horse ride from here, so they take you around this area. Of course they're holding the horse, so but still it's pretty cool. Look at the horses here. So these are the horse rides here. We'll just ask how much they charge. Wow, look at the horses. So I love horses. So look at the horses all around. Look at this guy, he's so big. Wow. So yeah, I'm just going to ask the price of how much they take. So I don't know. Bhai, kitna leta hai? So nobody is telling me how much it is. Bhai, round के लिए कितना लेता है? हाँ? So they take 100 rupees for a horse ride over here. So yeah, we'll just check out. I'll probably go for a horse ride in a while. But just look at the amount of horses that are here, and they are very good looking ones. So yeah. Okay guys, now that we've seen the horses here, they charge 100 rupees. What we are going to do is we'll go over here to this ridge point here. So the horses are pretty big. So usually the other horses I saw in the other areas were pretty small, and these ones are really big. So okay, we're going to go to this point here, the viewpoint. You get a amazing view from here. So over here you have the Indira Gandhi statue, and so everybody keeps on asking if you want to get a photo done here. They also have the outfits, the Himachali outfits, which you can dress up here and click photos. But let me just show you the view from here, which is absolutely incredible. Okay, so look at the view. So you get the view of the whole area around. So let's just look at it around here. So this is the Shimla viewpoint here. I think this is called the Ridge. So you can go that side as well. So we'll go there in a bit and I'll show you guys that side. But this is the view from here. It's so beautiful right now, and just look at the amount of people, guys. So definitely check this place out if you come here. And we are going to go ahead down that side, which is towards the Mall Road. Okay guys, so we are now heading down towards the Mall Road. See the horses here. So we are heading down to the Mall Road, which is this side. You can get ice cream and stuff here if you want. No cars are allowed here except for ambulances. So surprisingly, you will see the ambulances coming here quite frequently. So over here is a COVID vaccination center. Wow. So this is the COVID vaccination center here, and there's another viewpoint on the other side, which is over there, which overlooks the hill down below, which is the main Shimla viewpoint. So you can see the whole view of Shimla from there. So you can go that side there to that viewpoint. But what we are going to do is we are walking down towards the Mall Road, which is this side here. So it's still pretty cool, and I mean cold actually. So the breeze kind of penetrates you. Okay, so the entrance to this park here, it's called Daulat Singh Park, and the entry is 5 rupees per person to enter into that area there if you want to click pictures there. There's also a restaurant here, which is here, and of course there is street food over here if you want some street food like corn and kulfi. Kesar kulfis 50 rupees over here. They also have momos and sweet corn, aloo tikki. So wow, look at this structure here. This is beautiful. So these are the old British structures, I guess. Very beautiful here. And the view around this whole area is absolutely incredible. For me, I find the most fascinating is the outfits, because I love fashion and it's so nice to see some people so fashionable out here. So yeah guys, this is incredible. So once we reach down there, I'm going to show you, because this is basically the same structure here, this building. And once we reach the end of the road, I'll show you guys from there. So guys, we reached down here, which is this beautiful building. Look at this place. How beautiful is this? So this has this really nice wooden structure here, and I mean the windows and everything is wooden. And outside, if you see the texture, it's like these nice stones that are layered on top of each other, and it looks so nice here. So we'll just go a little further down and let me show you what it looks like. So anyway, we are going to go down there, and I'm going to show you the post office and stuff when we reach down there. Okay guys, so just before we go down, I forgot to tell you guys that this is the mayor's office, but actually I just saw it just now. So this is the mayor's name over here, and this is the mayor's office. It looks so nice, right? So this nice little brown windows, and yeah, so incredible. And just look at the architecture. So they have like this hall down below, which looks like a big hall inside. So when you look down from there, and all these buildings are so good for photos. So if you want to click some nice photos, you can just click anywhere, and it's so nice. In the distance there is the Indian Post Office. Something to be aware about over here is there's a lot of monkeys on top of these buildings usually. So whenever you come here, you'll see monkeys running around, and sometimes they snatch your phones, or So yeah, you have to be aware of the monkeys. They are sometimes they'll snatch your phones or anything. So this is the tourist facilitation office here. So if you want queries of anything, you want to ask anything about tourism, I guess. And there's a railway reservation center there. So now we are about to enter into the main mall road here, and wow, look at the amount of crowd again down here as well. So the mall road is very famous for shopping. So if you want to buy anything, you get a lot of shopping here. You can even buy high-end jewelry to your normal deals, like good clothing deals, and they also have all sorts of brands here. So if you want to get in any fancy brands like all Nike, Adidas, everything is available here. And if we go further down here, we will see these old structures here. These are all banks in this area, and just up ahead over there is the Indian Post. So the post office looks very beautiful here, and I came here yesterday and I got a full photo shoot done here, and you get some amazing pictures from here. So this is the Shimla General Post Office, which is here. And of course you can go walking all the end down there, and it's very, very beautiful. So let's just take a look at the mall road from up here. So you get a whole view of the mall road from up here. You can get some good pictures here as well, especially when it's sunny. I was telling you guys about the monkeys. See the monkeys attacking that small boy. So the monkeys just attacking the small boy down there, and you have to be really careful. See, the whole family is attacking the small boy. So the whole family of monkeys is attacking that small boy. So you have to really be careful when you're up here, and you never know from where the monkeys will come and jump on you. So definitely take care of yourself when you're here. So yeah guys, this is the mall road down here, and if you want to check the video of my whole mall road video, you can definitely check it out. And yeah guys, so this is the post office, as I was telling you guys, very nice. And there's more buildings down there which all look really, really nice. And just to look at the amount of people that are here, so that's where we came from, all the way there. And if you see here, look at the crowd, just to see in perspective how many people are here right now. So yeah guys, that is it from here at the Shimla Mall Road and the Christ Church. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you lots of other videos from here in Shimla.